Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Water Sudoku Very Easy Volume 1. It looks like today we're on puzzle number 133. Let's start here with this column. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 9, no help here, so 5, 6, 9, and a 9 here, so 5, 6. Let's work on this row. Looks like we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 1, 2 there. So 3, 4, a 1 there and a 4 there, so 2, 3, just the 4 there, so 1, 2, 3. And then here we've got the 1 and the 4, so 2, 3. So if we look back across, then this is the only place our 1 can be, and this is the only place our 4 can be. If we look at this box, then looks like we're missing a 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 5, 5 here, so 1, 3, and a 1 here, so 3, 5. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 5, 6, 8. The 5 here, and the 6, so 3, 8. 3 and 5 here, so 6, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 6. We've got the 1 and 3 here, so 4, 6. Same thing here, 4, 6. Got a 4 and 6 here, so 1, 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 3, 6, 9, and 9 here, so 2, 3, 6. The 3 here, so 2, 6, 9, and 2, 9, and 3 here. So that makes this our 6. So we can get rid of this 6, and this 6. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here. So 3, 7, 8, no help here, so 3, 4, 7, 8, 3 and 4 here, so 7, 8, and a 3 up here, so 4, 7, 8. This one's getting a little messy again, guys. Let's keep going. Let's do this row. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 5, 9. No help here. 4, 5, 6, 9. 5 here and a 6 here. So 4, 9. 4, 5, and 9 here. So that makes this our 6. And we can come back and get rid of this 6. All right, if we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 8. Get a 3 and 7 here. So 1, 8. And 8 here. So 1, 3, 7. 1 and 3 here. So 7, 8. If we work on this row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We've got the 1 here and the 7 here. So 3, 5, 9. We've got 3, 5, and 9 here. So that means this is our 1. That 1 would make this our 3 and 1. That 3 makes this our 5. And that 3 and 5 make this our 9, which leaves our 7 for over here. That 7 makes this our 8. So then this is our 1. And that just leaves the 3. So then this 8 comes over here, makes this our 6. And the 5 and 6 means this is our 8, which makes this our 3. All right, let's do some cleanup here. So we can get rid of this 3. And this 8. This 5 makes this our 1. I don't see, we can get rid of this 9. I think that's it for now. So let's go back down here and do this box. We've got 1, 2, 3, so we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 7, and a 4 here. So 7, 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here. So 2, 7, and no help here. So 2, 4, 7. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 8. There's no help here, so 2, 3, 8. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 8. If we do this top row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 8 here and a 9 here. So 4, 6. We've got a 6 here and a 9 here. So 4, 8. So if we look back on that row, this is the only place our 8 can be, and this is the only place our 9 can be. So now we can get rid of this 9 here, this 9 here, so that makes this our 3. This 8 makes this our 2, which means this is our 3 and 8. That 3 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 3. And with that 2 there, we can get rid of this 2. So this column then, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 7. And I don't see any help, so 4, 7. And just to finish off this box then, looks like we're missing 4, 7, and 9. And I don't see any help, so 4, 7, 9. To finish off this box, we're missing 5 and 6. And there's no help there, so 5, 6. To finish off this box, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. Got a 6 here. So 4, 5, 9. For this box, looks like we're missing 2, 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here. So 7, 8. Got the 8 here, and a 5. Oh, sorry, 8, 2, and 9. I think we may have made a mistake somewhere. So if you look at the 2, 9, and 8, that would mean this has to be our 7, but we need our 7 in one of these two boxes here. And for this box, we still need a 2 and a 9, but because of this 2 and 9, they would both need to be here. Up, I see we've got 2 3s there somehow. All right. Well, that was today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.